valve issue is the most normal thing on a line, and that's exactly why it's dangerous. It doesn't announce itself. It starts as a little sticking, a little drag, a little drift, and then your alarm screen lights up, and operators are forced into guesswork. And if it keeps escalating, the moment comes fast. Now you're not troubleshooting, you're down, and you're staring at up to 12 hours of unplanned downtime. Allie's maintenance agent catches the early drift behind those alarms before the line is forced to stop. It connects alarm patterns to what's happening mechanically, so you're not treating symptoms, but it goes beyond passive monitoring. Once the anomaly is flagged, you can actively query Allie's maintenance agent to investigate further. You can ask it to compare current stress levels against historical baselines or recommend the best maintenance route. It even closes the loop on administration. You can instruct the agent to generate and submit the correct work order directly within the chat. Let's move through some real life examples. When the alarm hits, you pull up the HMI alarm screen and ask Allie directly. We're getting valve fault, actuator fault. Is this intermittent or solid? When did it start today? Is it consistently failing to open, to close, or both? I'm getting a pressure alarm. It's showing high line pressure. Is the valve hunting and causing oscillation, or is the problem upstream? Instead of chasing alarms in circles, you get a clear diagnosis path and a decision that you can act on before minor valve drift turns into a hard stop. From predictive alerts to instant work orders, Allie's maintenance agent doesn't just watch your line. It gives you the tools to proactively optimize your entire workflow. Schedule a demo for a closer look.